Hi everyone, I'm Kritika. I'm from Alliance PU and I come from a background of science. And today I'm really grateful for Alliance University for giving me the exposure of this huge and lively campus. Today we actually learned many things. Either it is AI or biotechnology or anything about design, which was actually really helpful for us science students.
I'm Vishalakshi from Alliance PU College from Commerce stream. It has been a grateful day visiting this Alliance campus. As a commerce student, we only choose BCom, BBA as a career options. After visiting this campus, there are many options for a commerce student to learn, to do, to creative. For the creative mind, we have many things to learn here. So I'm very grateful visiting this campus.
I am Tejashree CS and I am from 2nd PUC Commerce stream from Alliance Pre-University College. I am very proud that today I visited Alliance University College. There is a very good infrastructure. We learned many things from today's sessions. There were 4 sections. So we learned about our future career and also about the sports.
Myself Ayush. I am studying in 2nd PUC and I have opted for science stream. Today we had sessions like AR, VR, designing, biotechnology, and it taught us that life is not just being a doctor or engineer. It's way beyond than that. In the AR VR room, we learned about augmented reality, virtual reality, VR headset, how to develop a game, the coding. If you opt Alliance as your future, it will not just get you marks, it will get you excellence in the subject you pursue.